How you guys doing today?
All right.
Good. You got it.
It's like we just run in circles every day. Every day. We're tearing friendships up. We're making out here. And it's building a route between people because we're losing our personal stuff.
If folks can scoot as close as possible, we only have this megaphone. Sorry, we don't have a better mic. So just get as close as you can, and Paul will speak right into it as loud as possible.
Miss Lady, you can hear me now? I'm good.
Yeah.
As you can see, it's very hard out here. It's a lot of,
Right up here.
it's a lot of tension out here because of what the mayor and them are doing. You know, I lost some friends out here, and it ain't from COVID.
We need help. They're replacing us with rocks. You know, they look at us like we are trash. What they don't know is we got kids out here. We got kids out here that didn't choose to be out here. What about the ones that their parents gave them up at birth and then they got ran through adoption? They said, no, their name was molested and they came out here. The mayor don't care about that. All he sees is homeless. I thought kids was our future. We ain't got nothing. We got all these professional athletes around here. They won't even have time to come downtown to the peak and say something to these kids. That'll just make their day. Okay, you throw away the grown folks stuff. But what if I told you I ain't homeless? What if I told you I have friends that's millionaires out here? What if I told you I come out and just live out here? And I can treat it the same way. The same way. I go to Tommy and sit and stay there. Told my buddy that guy's a law firm on Rice and Parker, Watson and Associates. Helped him just build a bar, dealing with the contractors. But I come out here and I lay down on the streets, now I'm a nobody. Trying to tell everybody something. And I get stared down on. And I decided now to cut some of my friendship because I refuse to leave. I've been jumped on. You know, every day. And every time I try to win, I gotta lose the win out of it. I'm trying to walk with the right people and do the right things and try to crawl up to the top and show them. It's a challenge every day. You see what I did over there. I'm just lying. I'm doing I'm gonna come here and speak. They don't care about that. But they're pushed to that. If it wasn't for the grace of God for a lot of the people that comes out of there, they taking that away. They can't even bring water out of here. There used to be water bottles everywhere where people just bring stuff. You know the mayor that slid up under them people and told them through somebody like friends on some slick stuff. His own land, his own town. How can you do that in your own land? I'm talking where you come from. He was raised in 5 Point, as I hear. He replacing the legacies of people before him with what? The line in his pockets? I know one thing, is you're gonna win. It's just our spiritual strength. We're gonna win. And God bless me with the people that He have around me that He put in my life. You'll see. You'll see. You know what I mean? I'm telling you, I got to lose to win every day. I got to have people put hands on a 55-year-old man. Because what? Because God made me look young by the grace of Him. I got to fight every day. I can't hang with this 21-year-olds, but I got to. For what? Being just me. Being on a corner that they run me from every day. If it wasn't for Terry and them, they are my safe haven. They are my common denominator. Well, I'll be dead soon. But I just want to help the kids. I want to give something back. It's hard. You woke up up at 3 in the morning, shoved around. We just get shoved around. They want us to react because now that we got some police force, now they got reason for touching us. These ladies get touched all the time. They didn't have some confrontations. For what? For standing up for the rights of us. I don't know what to do. But to keep doing my walk. Fight things. That's all I got to say. I wish I could say more, but I need to go back to where my block is, and where my community is. There's some people that need it. So that's where I'm going to go back to.
Thank you, Paul. Thank you, Paul.
Okay, thank you, Paul, for speaking truth, letting folks know what's really going on out here. I'm gonna jump through this report in a really low-tech way.